morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another installation of Transparency Trust Trades with your host, Adrian Burton. So, today, I'm about an hour into the day. I haven't pulled a trade yet because the American market is actually closed. So we're going to focus on a Canadian stock, one that's been rather hot lately and over the last 5 years actually, and that is Weed. Original ticker CGC, and it was something before that, but now it's Weed. And as you can see here, it's trading above, well, it was trading above $36, so that's a pretty good short position, but I missed it. So what my goal is today is just to watch this stock simply. If there are any other stocks, I'll definitely take a peek on my other charts that you can't see, and then if I see a trade opportunity, I'll pull them up. Usually for Canadian stocks, I like to watch Weed, Shopify, and TD and RY. So TD and Royal Bank is what I like to watch in Canada. So I actually have all those charts up now. You can only see the Weed one, and we'll see what happens. Actually, this one looks pretty good. I'll pull this one up for you guys. So this looks pretty good. Royal Bank is down for the day. RY opened the day at 98.70. Now it's trading 70 cents lower than that, okay? So I believe that's 1% or so. Something around there, almost 1% down. So we could buy this here, and we can expect it to go back to 98.4, because that's where the last floor is resistance / support, whatever you want to say. Actually, it really isn't whatever you want to say. It's called resistance and support. So what I am is a contrarian trader, so I would look to take this back to the average, or back to the mean, or back to a price that's more stable, because prices here are unstable, right? We buy 1,000 shares at 98.02. Oh, it's making a move down. The most I'll lose is like 20 bucks. I want to get in at 98.02. Let's see if they let me in. So my order's in. That's for that. And then we're going to look at a more volatile stock in Weed. I want to watch that one more long term, because it moves very quickly, you know. Oh, there we are. I'm in RY, only at 100 shares long. They let me in, but it's okay. Our main concern is this volatile stock here. RY is a very slow-moving stock. It'll give us some time to ride it out all day, whereas this one we could take profit rather quickly. So we're fully filled on Royal Bank. I actually want to check it out again. We're still waiting. We don't trade in the middle of like trends and stuff, you know. We want to see definite tops, definite bottoms. So like, yeah, we could take this in the middle of the trade, but why not just wait till it gets to the ceiling and see what happens there. You know, it's a little bit more definite for us, and we want to make money, right? So now I'm down 10 bucks in on the spread of Royal. Oh, never mind, it's bouncing around. My main thing for today in Weed is to short it, for sure. I usually trade 1,000 shares, so that equals 10 bucks a penny, just so you guys know. $10 a penny in weeds.to, it will move very quickly for you, you know? So just for example, this is the bid right here, this is the ask. So if I had just shorted it, I would have already got 2 cents out of that. At the top there, I would have, yeah, see, it moves so quick, it's nice. But we could keep waiting. We could keep waiting. This one will give us a chance. Plus, I want to show you my. We'll check in on RY real quick. Oh, it's holding. It's holding. That's what it's done so far. You can see where we got in here. So. That'd be nice. It's looking like a nice little turn could happen right here. You know, these are the moments when they do happen too. You know, so yeah, level 2 is looking good. Lots of red right now, but it's okay. Holding is 92. So honestly, and the thing about these stocks sometimes is like let's say it breaks 98, it'll go to like 97. 75 or something quick. So it's like, ah man, it's like 25 cents right away down the drain, but you know, whatever. Whatever. If it holds this, we'll get a bounce back to 40 for sure. 98.40, which will be the ideal thing. But as you can see, I hope you can see that very clearly, the summary here. This is up or down net right now in the market, and then when you see it here, that's actually what I've taken out of the market. This is what's still in the market. Okay, so 20 bucks potentially in the market, or 10 bucks, whatever. Straight back in like weeds. Still nothing. See what I mean? Like, yeah, I could trade that for the microsecond, but it's just too much. So the goal today, I guess, let's hit a money goal. Let's say, I've switched it over to Canadian dollar too, by the way. But the goal for today, let's say 100 bucks, and then we could wrap it up. That would be nice. 100 bucks, then we could wrap it up. Yeah, so if you're wondering what kind of technical indicators I use the volume weighted average price, and that's this line here. My apologies. So it's short VWAP, and it's an institutional buy line, I guess you can say. That's how I use it, and then I use the volume. And support and resistance are pretty easy to spot now, so I'll use that too. And then depending on how volume is with the support and resistance, and then where it is in relation to the VWAP, I'll take my trade. So right now it's probably like 1 standard deviation above the VWAP, 1.5. And it's nice when it's 2 standard deviations above the VWAP, because then you're going to get some price consolidation. Obviously, it's not going to stay at the tippy tops, and it's not going to stay at the bottom, right? So we're going to get some type of consolidation. So that's when I would usually pull a trade, just so you know. And volume dies off. Oh, we're at 30 bucks with our Royal Bank trade. Hey man, if this could end our day if it goes to 12 cents, 98.12. You know what I mean? That could, if you go out and enjoy the coffee or the roses. So yeah, and this is all a part of Transparency Trust Trades. You know, this is what I do. I love doing this. We have a platform where we're able to take advantage of a large amount of buying power, and I also have a platform where I'm able to teach people how to trade and manage their own money, which is the most beneficial thing for anybody, anywhere. So that's what we do on a daily basis. That's what I do. And every Monday we're going to be bringing you videos of a live trade that we make in the market, win or loss. There's nothing I can do about that once I place the trade. It's all about our analysis and our pre-analysis, right? And then our money management once we're in the trade. You know what I mean? So, for example, let's say I got into that trade. I'm in the market right now. I'm exposed $98,000. Okay, $98,000, almost $100,000 in the market. Okay, now if I make $10 off $100,000, does anybody know what the conversion is? Because I don't know percent wise. 1%? Is that 1% or is that 0.1%? Yeah, that's 0.1%. No, it might even be 0.01%. Yeah. So yeah, 0.01%, which is still not bad because you're not losing money, you know, and that's the main thing. Like, you know, you're still taking a heavy risk for $10, but again, if you can make money on money, like if I gave you money and you can make me money off of that, you're a person that I'm gonna want to give my money to. It's that simple. As long as you're not losing it. Okay. So look at this craziness right now. I want you to see this. Oh, you are seeing it. It's weed popping up. So that's why we don't trade in the middle of craziness, okay? Because look at the volume rising now. Weed's popping up. It's gonna break its day high. Today it just broke its day high, and we're getting ready to short this baby. But we got to be careful, right? Because of the volume situation, we could really get in trouble. So we're waiting for a little bit of a follow through, is what we call it, because the volume was great just now. So give us a little follow through up to about 36.60, and then we'll short this baby. And this is probably where we're going to make most of our money today. Again, it's at the day high. Like, yeah, let's go. Stop trying to hide those shares. I know you're there. There we go. There we go. There we go. It might be here that I can risk it here. Yeah. So I shorted at 69. So we'll see what happens. I should get a quick retracement. See, there we go. So we've made alright. So we made 72 bucks. We're almost about to break 100. So that's it. That's what we wait for, ladies and gentlemen. So just wait for a little signal and take advantage of that. And my entry wasn't even that. It was good, but like just I. So that's how you do it. No hesitation. We picked off that top, and then look what happens. This is the amazing thing that I love to see, because we were in that trade and we took 78 bucks. You know what I mean? Like, we took that out of the market, and now that's gone. Like, that's, again, right now at this second, it's gone. So it's cool. I like that kind of stuff. So we've made 100 bucks. If I can get out of Royal Bank. Oh, there we go. So the goal was only 100, so that's what I'm gonna stick with. That was a perfect trade. Well, yeah, it was a perfect trade. Let's see what's happening. Our Royal Bank is popping up, but again, we only came in here for 100 bucks. So once we make our money, like, it doesn't matter, you know, they don't want to get me out at such a good price. So I just got out. So okay. So I just want to show you something. We came in with the plan for $100, right? So that's what we do. You know, we executed the plan and we get out at 100. I can start to get greedy. I can let my emotions run me. Like right now, I want to check out weed. I want to see where it's at. I want to see how much more I could have gotten out of it as a trader. You know. So and I'm actually I'm gonna throw it up. Hold on a second. Because so let's see. So it's not completely down. We took a great position, guys. Look at that. Look at that short. We waited for it because remember I said we could have shorted here or here and taken our couple cents, but it's too up down at that point. You want to pick the top so that you have some room, because right now it's, you know, people popped it up there and now people are like, oh my god, what am I going to do? That's what's happening now. So you want to take advantage of that while you're sitting here, you know? You want to take advantage of the, what am I going to do? Because you know what you want to do. So that's where it is now. And then we could theoretically wait for another pop-up, right? Because on the sell-off, volume wasn't too good. So yeah, there it is right there, actually. And we actually could have went long here, too, which is crazy, and continued to ride up. But again, that's not my strategy. I'm a contrarian trader, so this is my strategy. To short this is my strategy. You know what my strategy is, to tell you the truth, and it will work. I can't show you guys all the goodies, you know, but I would short this and hold it back down to here and really make some real money, you know. I would short probably 3,000 shares and make $3,000, something like that. Okay, so that's what the real play is. But I just wanted to show you on the 1 minute chart a little, what was that, 2 minutes in that trade gave us $88, and then obviously Royal Bank we stayed in for a little bit longer, and again the VWAP is all the way up here. Look where we're buying, you know. So risk to reward in these trades are really good. If it's going to run against you, you probably made a bad trade, so get out before it blows your account up. But yeah, these are really, really good trades here. The risk to reward on this is outstanding. My name is Adrian Burton. This was Transparency Trust Trades. We're doing this every morning, every day, excluding weekends, unfortunately. So I don't say thank God it's Friday when Friday comes, but whatever. But yeah, this is Transparency Trust Trades. This is Adrian Burton. Just a quick run through of a couple of trades and how we do this. And again, I'll be back on Monday to show you again the same thing. If you guys want to hit me up, I got a YouTube channel. We got an Instagram, Transparency Trust at Instagram, Transparency Trust at YouTube. Hit me up on Snapchat, ProfitTC, if you want to, or just hit me up here on Ticker TV and I can answer any of your questions that you would like. Also, we are on StockTwits, but I don't really use that. I'm just there for the entertainment, to tell you the truth. But yeah, so that was the day. As you can see, we made $114 Canadian. We were in the market for about 20 minutes, so that's not bad, right? You know, do 20 minutes in the market, make $100, go out and go to your real job if you want, or you know, get better at this, make $1,000, and then yeah. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it, and I'm just gonna leave you with a little tune here and just let this run for a second so you see where it goes.